9th point of the chapter, S block element. Some important compound of calcium. Important compound of calcium are calcium oxide, calcium hydroxides, calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate and cimates. These are industrially important compound. The large scale preparation of this compound and their use described below. Calcium oxide or quicklime CaO. It is prepared on a commercial scale by heating limestone CaCO3 in a rotary kiln at 1070 to 1270 Kelvin. CaCO3 reversible CaO plus O2. The carbon dioxide is removed as soon as it is produced to enable the reaction of proceeds to completion. Calcium oxide is a white amorphous solid. It is a melting point of 2870 Kelvin on an exposure to atmosphere. It absorbs moisture and carbon dioxide. CaO plus H2 to form CaOH2, CaO plus CO2 to form CaCO3. The addition of the limited amount of water breaks lumps of lime. This process is called salk-lime of lime. Quicklime salted with soda gives solid soda lime. Being basic oxides, it combined with acidic oxides at a high temperature. CaO plus SiO2 to form CaSiO3. The next reaction is Ca6CaO plus P4O10 to form 2Ca3PO4O2. Then its uses. It is an important primary material for manufacturing cements and the cheapest from the alkali. It is used in the manufacture of sodium carbonate from caustic soda. It is employed in a purification of sugar and the manufacturing dye stuffs. Then calcium hydroxide saltlined lime CaOH2. Calcium hydroxide is prepared by adding water to quicklime CaO. It is a white amorphous powder. It is strongly soluble in water. The aqueous solution is known as lime water and the suspension of salt-lime in water is known as milk of lime. When carbon dioxide is passed through, lime water turns milky due to formation of calcium carbonates. CaOH2 plus CO2 to form CaCO3 plus H2. On passing excess of carbon dioxide, the precipitation dissolves to form calcium hydrogen carbonate. The reaction is CaCO3 plus CO2 plus H2 to form CaHCO3. Milk of lime reacts with chlorine to form hypochlorite and constituents of bleaching powder. 2CaOH2 plus 2HCl to form CaCl2 plus CaOCl2 bleaching powder plus 2H2O. Its uses. It is used in the preparation of mortar of building materials and it is used in a white wash due to dentificants nature. It is used in a glass making in tanning industry for the preparation of bleaching powder for purification of sugar. Then calcium carbonate CaCO3. Calcium carbonate occur in nature in several forms like limestone, chalk, marble, etc. It can be prepared by passing carbon dioxide through salt lime by the addition of sodium carbonate to calcium chloride. CaOH2 plus CO2 to form CaCO3 plus H2O. Next reaction CaCl2 plus N2CO3 to form CaCO3 plus 2NaCl. Excess of carbon dioxide should be avoided. Hence, this leads to the formation of water-soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a white fluffy powder. It is almost insoluble in water. When heated to 200 Kelvin, it decomposed to evolve carbon dioxide CaCO3 to form in temperature 1200 Kelvin CaO plus CO2. It reacts with dilute acid to liberate carbon dioxide CaCO3 plus 2HCl to form CaCl2 plus H2 plus CO2. Next reaction CaCO3 plus H2SO4 to form CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Then it is used a building material in the form of marble, and in the manufacturing of quicklime, calcium carbonate along with magnesium carbonate is used as a flush in the extraction of metals such as iron, especially precipitate. CaCO3 is extensively used in the manufacture to high quality paper. It is also used as an antacid smell abrasive toothpaste, a constituent of chewing gum, and filter in the cosmetic. Then calcium sulfate plaster of plaster of Paris CaSO4 dot half H2O. It is hemihydrate of calcium sulfate. It is obtained when gypsum CaSO4 dot 2 H2O is heated to 393 Kelvin. 2 CaSO4 dot 2 H2O to form 2 CaSO4 dot H2O plus 3 H2O. Above 293 Kelvin, no water crystallization is left and anhydrous calcium sulfate CaSO4 is formed. This is known as dead dust plaster. It has remarkable property of setting with water. On making with a adequate quantity of water, it forms a plastic mass that get into a hard solid 5 to 15 minutes. Uses: the largest use of a plaster of Paris is in the building industry as well as plaster. It is used for immobilizing the affected part of an organ where there is a bone fracture or spring. It is also employed in dentistry, in ornamental work, and for making cast of statues and busts. Then cement. Cement is an important building material. It was firstly introduced in England in 1824 by Joseph Aspdin. It is also called Portland cement because it resembles with a natural limestone quarried in the Isle of Portland, England. Cement is a product obtained by combining material rich in lime CaO with other materials such as clay, which contain silica SiO2, along with the oxides of aluminium, iron, magnesium. The average composition of Portland cement is CaO 50 to 60%, SiO2 20 to 25%, Al2O3 5 to 10%, MgO 2 to 3%, Fe2O3 1 to 2%, and SO3 1 to 2% for a good quality cement. The ratio of the silica SiO2 to alumina Al2O3 should be between 2.5 and 4, and the ratio of lime CaO to the total of the oxide of silica SiO2, aluminium Al2O3, and iron Fe2O3 should be as close as possible to the raw material for the manufacture of cements, limestone and clay. When clay and lime are strongly heated together, they fuse and react to form cement clinker. This clinker is mixed with 2 to 3% by weight of gypsum, CaSO4.2H2 to form a cement. The important ingredient present in a Portland cements are dicalcium silicate, CaSiO4 26%, tricalcium silicate, Ca3SiO5 51%, and tricalcium ammoniate, Ca3Al2O6 11%. Setting of cements. When mixed with water, setting of cements takes place at a hard mass. This is due to hydration of the molecules of the constituents and their rearrangement. The purpose of the adding gypsum is only to slow down the process of setting the cement so that it gets sufficient hardness. Uses. Cement has become commodity of national necessity for any country. Next to iron and steel, it is used in a concrete and reinforced concrete, in a plastering and in the construction of bridge, dams and buildings. And the next topic is biological importance of magnesium and calcium. It is SCAM.